and it drops over 2 inches right there. Really feeling it. Hey, this is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction. We are in beautiful San Clemente, California, where our crews are working on a residence. And some of the signs I look for are this crack here, and the crack by the window frame. And when I was here, there was all carpet, there was a bed here, but I've been doing this so long, I can really feel it with my feet, where I can just dive down. You can just feel it drop, and it drops over 2 inches right there. So that's another sign I look for. Right there, see that door frame? You can really tell it's tweaked, because this back half is dropped and it's cracked the slab of the footing. So we're gonna go next to outside where the crews are working, and then we'll see what kind of things we ran into here. So we're outside now at that house in San Clemente, and I just want to show you what we're actually talking about, where this place is located, and how beautiful it is here. That's why these houses are so highly desirable. So there was a golf hole for this golf course down there, and they're redoing it. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing, but our company, Dalinghaus, has done houses on both sides of the canyon. So very high-end area for a company like ours. So what we're running into here is a deep footing. Normally footings on one-story houses are about 1.5 feet deep, maybe 2 feet. But this one is excessively deep, 4 feet in total. So I was here talking to the crew and Joe, our project manager, and we were thinking that this could be a footing where they added on after the fact. Maybe the house was like 10 years and it started settling, and the early days of foundation work, maybe they added concrete to think they were reinforcing it, but you're actually adding weight to a sinking ship. So it's a lot more work for our crews, but they're doing a great job. You can see how flat that is, and they're going to get the brackets underneath there. Then we're going to figure out how to do the helical tiebacks, and hopefully Justin can intercut some of that video so you can see what I'm talking about. But adios from San Clemente.